look at the temperature. This is the high for today. It's already 12:49 in the afternoon on Saturday, November 30th, and it's 66 degrees here. I'm very excited. Welcome to day one of Vlogmas 2024. Starting today, I will be filming every day until the very last advent calendar. Now, normally I would be starting the advent calendars today, a day ahead, and then you would watch them the day of as you're opening yours. But I'm not doing that this year because it got weird and confusing. Not really confusing, but I want to do it when everyone else does it. So you're going to see me open day one of Advent tomorrow, December 1st, but you won't actually see it till the morning of December 2nd. So this is going to be interesting for me to get into the groove of things, film during the day, edit at night, upload in the morning. That's my game plan. So this is also with me working and trying to sprinkle in some holiday cheer in between the Advent. So today, since there's no Advent, we, taking you along with me, are going to a place called Strandhill Public. It is in the Tampa Heights area of Tampa, and they have a Christmas pop-up that lasts, I believe, all month long. I'll find out when I get there whether or not they're taking it into January, but you're gonna join me for this adventure. So let's go. So you can see downtown Tampa in the distance. I parked over in this lot, and parking down here is $10, which I guess I didn't realize that Strandhill Public was part of the food hall, which is actually right here. That's actually called Armature Works, where there's a bunch of different restaurants inside. But today we're going to one of the ones out here, and it's a few restaurants down. This is where we're going, Strandhill Public. There is the front, and it looks very Christmassy. It's probably gonna be even more lit up at night, but we're doing this during the day this time around. All right, let's check it out. Oh wow, it's really decked out. So they have festive drinks, Miracle at Strandhill. And already, look at the festive mugs they have. This is called the Krampus. I love the mug. And this is the hot buttered rum, which has got Santa on the front, which I'm thinking about getting. But there's also the Jingle Balls Nog, and I'm a huge eggnog fan, so we'll have to see which one I choose. All right, I went with a hot buttered rum. It smells so good. All right, cheers. Unfortunately, I'm a righty, so you don't get to see the Santa face. Oh, that is delicious. Very, very good. And we just ordered some food. I got the soup of the day, which is tomato basil, some grilled cheese. It just feels like something to do on a cold day. So that's coming up next. This is my grilled cheese with fries, and that is the soup that I dipped in it. It was delicious. Oh, that is so cute.
No, not yet.
What is the name of this cocktail?
That's the Christmasaurus.
Christmasaurus.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that looks spectacular.
I'm still working on Krampus.
Oh, and look, you can actually buy the mugs. There's the Christmasaurus mug. I didn't even see this. That's my Santa egg mug. Oh, the Santa pants mug. There's a unicorn, a naughty and nice shot glass of the holiday mugs. That's looked very, very cool.
Gave me that part too.
Oh look, you guys, I can get my picture taken in front of this, which I will probably do in a bit. I have my friends here with me so they can take the picture for me. Oh, it's so cute. I really, really like it here. So this is not the only place they have here. This same company owns this restaurant in Brandon, and they're doing the same thing there. So if you are in Brandon, Florida, or here in Tampa, you can go to them at both places. one more look around before we bid this first Christmas adventure goodbye. Gotta love the twinkling lights. Got these on the backs of every chair. You get the koala cocktail. You got a koala on a straw. Is that a jackalope?
I think it is a jackalope.
We found a jackalope.
You know, in my mother's South Dakota, one of the teams, I think it's South Dakota State, they are the jackalopes.
Are they?
Yeah.
I'm currently waiting to be picked up for dinner. The Hubs is behind me. A lot of our neighbors have already put their lights on. I have nothing up. Not yet. I'm going to do that either tomorrow or Monday. We went to Cooper's Hawk for dinner, and I got the special of butternut squash with shrimp and lobster paired with this Aberino wine. It was absolutely delicious. Get it if you go for the December menu. Well, back from dinner and after playing some Rummy Cub that I lost all 3 games of, we are wrapping up the evening, and tomorrow starts day 1 of Advent, and this will be opened in the morning. So, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the content for the next 24 days after this one. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow on my next adventure.